Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll show you how to create and configure a new extension in Issabel 5. This is one of the first tasks you'll perform when setting up an IP PBX system. By the end of this video, you'll know how to add an extension successfully on Issabel 5. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and enter the IP address of your Issabel server. Log in using your administrator username and password. Once logged in, you'll see the Issabel dashboard. From the top menu, click on PBX and then select PBX configuration. Wait a few seconds for the PBX management interface to load. On the left side menu, click Extensions. Now click Add Extension. For new deployments, I recommend selecting SIP extension, as it provides better security and compatibility with modern devices. In the user extension field, enter the extension number you want to create, for example, 380. Next, enter a display name. This can be the user's name or department name. Now create a strong password in the secret or password field. This password will be used by the IP phone or soft phone to register with the PBX. Double-check the information before moving to the next step. Click the Submit button to save the extension. After that, click Apply Config at the top of the screen. That's it. You have successfully created and configured an extension in Issabel 5. In upcoming videos, we'll cover SIP trunks, inbound routes, outbound routes, IVR setup, call recording, and many more Issabel administration topics. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.